Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a picture into a heart shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert a picture into a heart shape. Now, firstly insert a heart shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for shape option. Now click for heart shape. Now draw a heart shape. Now going to the shape outline option. Now click for no outline. Then click for a shape fill option. Now click for a picture. Now select from a file. Now find your picture. Now and choose picture. Now for click, then click for insert option. That it's. Then you show insert a picture into a heart shape in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.